Finally, we're going to Dubai. Siyempre, pwede na ako magsalita ngayon kasi sure na to, nakalampas na kami sa immigration. We're here at Pugs Lounge. So, siyempre, dito to sa Terminal 1. First time ko sa Terminal 1. And here is their famous siomai. Sarap kaya. Ang hangin sauce. Ang sarap. So, sobrang smooth ng immigration process namin. Konti lang yung tinanong, more on yung kinuha yung ticket, yung round trip ticket. Tinanong kung anong purpose, and then anong company ako nag-work, saan company ako nag-work. And then yun, sabi niya, tinatakan na. Yun na yun. Guys, pag narinig yun na yung chak-chak, yun na yun. Pag may narinig na natatak sa passport, tatak sa ticket, yun na yun. Ngumiti ka na ng abot tenga. Dahil sasabihin na niya, enjoy your trip. Ganon. Okay, this is round 2 of siomai. Ang sarap niya. Hindi na ako kumain na masyado ng maraming bread or anything. Kasi ito yung gusto kong bumigat sa tiyan ko. Sarap eh. Anyway, Pugs experience, lounge experience here. Terminal 1. Sinatry na namin yung Pugs Terminal 2. And maganda rin siya. When it comes sa interior, mas bongga yung Pugs Terminal 3. Sorry, Terminal 3. Pugs Terminal 3. Mas bongga yun. Yung pagkain, same lang din. Nandun din yung siomai na masarap. And may Carmen's Best sila na dessert or ice cream. Dito kasi parang ano siya, chocolate caramel. Pero hindi ko pa natitikman. Later tikman ko. Ang ginamit kong card dito is PPI Visa Signature. And then, yun yung may free lounge for principal owner and then one companion. Free yun. So, yun yung ginamit kong card. Then, yung mga credit card holders ata na members or may perks na mag-Pugs is dito nila nilalagay sa extension. So, may extension yung Pugs. Hindi talaga dun sa mga business class. Pero okay lang din kasi same din naman yung food. Then, may malawak din naman yung area. Pero when it comes sa exterior, mas maganda talaga yung Terminal 3. And I think mas maganda rin yun ngayon kasi alam ko nire-renovate siya. So, okay na din while waiting. Search muna. Welcome to Dubai. We're here at the Rove Hotel. Nag-metro kami kanina kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog but super duper nakakapagod. Hindi ko ina-advise na mag-metro or mag-subway kapag may mga dala kayong bagahe. But let's have a little tour here. This is our room. And then, let's check the bathroom. Ayan. Of course, may bidet. Check. Ayan. Laki ng mirror nila. Huh? Super nice. May hand soap. Lakas ng tubig. And then, yeah, may pa-phone. Maganda naman yung toilet nila. And then, shower. And then, pinapili ako dun sa reception kung mag-king size bed or ano nga to? Single bed. And then, ito, nag-separate. 2 single beds. Ganda naman siya. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. Hindi rin naman siya sobrang liit. Tama lang siya sa dalawa. Then, syempre, may ref. Natin kung... Ayan. Open na siya. Yun yung TV. May cabinet, may blower here. May mga complimentary, unlimited yung water. And vanity area. Table when pwedeng mag-work here. And then, may view din naman siya. Oh, view of the city. This is Rove Hotel City Center, Deira. Pinopronounce ko ba ng maayos? Deira. Deira. I must say na ang init. Paglabas ko pa lang ng metro kanina, pag-exit pa lang namin ng metro kanina, ibang klase pa lang ang init dito. Pero overall naman, we'll see tomorrow. Pag sobrang init talaga, magstay kami sa mga indoor, like Dubai Mall or indoor places para maiwasan lang yung ganong klase ng heat wave. So, yun. We'll see for tomorrow. So, ang first na gagawin namin today is to go to meet our relatives here in Dubai. Some relatives na magbe-breakfast kami. So, susunduin nila kami dito sa hotel. So, hindi ko rin nga alam kung okay itong suot ko sa mga pupuntahan. I don't think naman na bawal. But, it's better to be aware na lang din sa mga dress code, diba? Sa mga papasukin namin na lugar. Although, restaurant lang naman at saka siguro parks. So, siguro pwede naman to. And yung baba naman is just na below knees. So, kasi ang init din talaga eh. I think, kagabi na pagdating namin dito, nainitan na ako. What more pa ngayon, diba? Hindi ko pa na-check yung degrees, yung weather degrees ngayon. But, I assume talaga mga around 30, 31, 32, 33. Mga ganun yan. So, better na talaga na summer clothes ang gamitin. But may baon naman ako na pwede kong ipangtakip sa shoulders if ever na may bawal kami papasukan. Or may malamig kasi usually malalamig talaga yung mga establishments nila dito kasi nga sobrang init sa labas. So this is the pocket Wi-Fi that I use. This is from Wi-Fi PH. I will link their page on the description down below. So super bilis din niya. Very convenient din yung pag-connect ng Wi-Fi sa phone. Super bilis lang. Pagkadating ko pa lang dito sa Dubai, may Wi-Fi na agad ako. So galing to dala ko to from the Philippines. So, super convenient and fast. So kahit saan kami pumunta, Wi-Fi kami. OMG! Ang ganda ng car! Wow! This is the free!
Ate, pili po natin itumbine. Para makita mo ito, tawag dito Old Dubai. This is Old Dubai.
Ah, this is Old Dubai!
Yan yung sasakay ka sa parang taksing baka.
Alin? Ito mismo? Ito? Or...
Ah, ito na yung Old Dubai. Yan, yung kabilang yan.
My first coffee, real coffee in Dubai, cafe latte.
Jenny!
Done with our breakfast. And now we're going to Gold Souk. So, idadrive nila kami ng aming mga cousins to go there. Much better kasi may service, diba? Mas may mag-tour sa amin doon para makakita ng saan kami makakabili ng magandang gold. Thank you very much!
No problem, huh? We take care of you. I thought I only got one who's forgetting everything.
It runs in the blood. open na rin para.
Now, at this day, today, you are more focusing on the old Dubai.
Okay.
Right? Yung history
Oh, it's fine. Kasi,
yes, tomorrow or maybe tonight, when you go to JBR,
JBR.
that is the modern Dubai.
Okay.
Modern Dubai we're in, you can see a lot of touristic places. So usually, whatever water you've seen is a man-made. That's how.
Dyan?
Yes, that's how Dubai is. It's always
Man-made.
a man-made Dubai.
Okay.
There's no such certain natural resources of water, lake. It's always like that.
Paano nalagyan ng tubig yan?
Ulo.
Nag-hire sila ng
Mga engineer
like,
ka.
example, katulad ng Kinahiti, they are very, Dutch nationalists are very good in waters.
Ah,
They're very good kasi
Ito modern na.
shore na ganyan.
oo. Ano, ganda ng mga ano, ng
Ganda ng mga building.
mga building nila, ano?
So, nandito tayo sa mismong Old Dubai siya.
Oh, this is Old Dubai. Ang ganda ng mga buildings.
Ha?
Kasi parang si Flintstones.
May tao pa pala.
You know Flintstones?
So this is the real Dubai. This is how Dubai was in 100 years ago.
Oh, I love it here. This is Old Dubai. So, parang kakaiba talaga siya dun sa modern Dubai. And finally, I saw the Starbucks now. Here. Yeah, this is the iconic one. The iconic Starbucks of Dubai. Here at the Old Dubai. Here. No.
Tawas for kili-kili.
Oh. Tawas.
Putok kili-kili.
Putok.
Mura-mura lang.
Mura-mura lang. Looking for nothing.
Hello, my
Just
friend.
roaming
You like
around.
my
Hi,
shoe?
my
We don't-
friend.
How are you?
How are you?
Like we know.
They're very friendly here. Marunong magtagalog sila. Parang may tumawag pa sa akin ng Mari kanina. Marunong sila magtagalog. Hi. Nabubusog ang mata ko. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it here. Kahit ang init. Laban. Sabi nila hindi pa nga daw to yung worst eh. During the summertime here in Dubai. Ba, may KFC din. So we're riding here the water taxi para makapunta kami doon sa Gold Souk. So, ang bilis namin bumaba. As in, tumawid lang kami from there. Literal. Pero mura lang naman siya. 2 dirhams or 3 dirhams. Okay, right now, nakaka-overwhelmed. Ang daming magagandang interesting things na makikita mo dito sa Gold Souk. Gold Souk place. Ayun oh, this is the biggest ring. Wow! Ayan, ang ganda.
Ayan. Hindi naman ako magsusuot ng ganyan kalaki.
May ganyan ako.
OMG. Pati sapatos.
Patas, yes. Itong gusto ko.
Display lang nila. Ang ganda. No?
Yung kadena na yan.
Pendant for my necklace.
Medyo manifest. Dito manifest. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan.
Yan.
One more at the buying price, you will get it.
Yan.
Ganda.
Ya, kunin mo na, para all.
Yan, dollar naman yun. Dollar kayo.
Yeah, you know.
Oo nga, parang iba rin yung green. No?
Ito, kasi green bar.
Ay, si Mimi man wala yun.
See.
Pero ito maganda rin.
Maganda rin.
Yung ng choice mo ba mo?
Tapos sa Pilipinas, bibili ka lang ng mga pendant to make it more a design na may mga ganyan, lalagyan mo lang
Pwedeng
siya sa
lagyan
clip.
talaga yan.
Yes, para at least pag nilagay mo siya dito sa kwintas mo, may mga pendant
titingin
dito.
ako sa online. Oo, kung paano. Oo.
Para malagyan mo siya ng design.
We're hungry. Super init talaga sa labas, but okay naman. Dito may aircon na. We're going to eat chicken biryani.
It's fine. Lola, you wanna eat this one?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call you Lola, yeah?
That's
That's okay, yeah?
very much okay.
Lola.
No, Lola?
Tita.
Tita.
Yes.
Oh.
It's Tita.
Ninang. This is my inaanak. You call me Ninang.
Goddaughter.
That's
Yeah,
daughter ko.
You really want that? We need to talk.
Here. They're all exhausted already.
Hindi ba agad ito?
That's why they forget the water and the jacket.
This is the frame. Dito sa Dubai yung ano nga sila. Yung ganyan, gaganda ng mga sasakyan.
Wala ko nakita ganito po.
Yun pa. At saka to think na desyerto to Hindi siya maalikabok. Ganda ng road ng Dubai. Sobrang sarap mag-drive. Ito expressway nila. So walang toll.
There is a toolkit.
There is.
From this area ng Sheikh Zayed, nung nag-start tayo ng Malawakan. I think 7 toll gate.
So parang freeway na nila to na may toll.
Kaya iwas traffic.
Oo.
So nilagyan na ng toll gate.
Tama. Kakatuwa talaga yung mga sasakyan, no? Porsche Cayenne. What?
This is your restaurant.
What's that? Asa na ang Burj Al Arab? I wanna see it. Woo! Burj Al Arab. Yeah, we're here. This is Burj Al Arab. Having some coffee here. This is Costa Coffee and I'm drinking cafe latte. Ang sarap ng coffee nila. This is the Burj Al Arab here, over there. So may nagpipicture din dyan. Ayan. Yay! Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito. So, sumasunset na here and dumadami na rin lalo yung tao. So this is the view of Burj Al Arab. So far, what I can say about Dubai, it's very beautiful, it's very nice, and very luxurious din talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano dumaan doon, but ewan ko kung may nakakadaan doon. Parang restricted siya or something. Ayan o. Yung may bridge. So, pakiramdaman natin tong mga pupunta doon kung padadaanin sila. Pag pinadaan sila, susunod tayo. But yeah, this is a very nice structure. Yung architecture niya. Ayan na, as you can see. Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng building nila. Kahit dun sa Old Dubai kanina, ang ganda talaga. Parang bahay ni Flintstones. I think bawal dumaan doon. So, bawal dumaan doon kasi yung mga pumunta, nag-attempt, hindi sila pinadaan. Para pumunta doon sa bridge kasi maganda rin yung view doon para to take a picture na may view nung Burj Al Arab. Pero ako naman gusto ko lang namang to chill since sunset na ngayon. Ayun na, sunset. Walk tour lang tayo along this man-made lake. Man-made lake, mga bato. Pero I believe this is man-made. Not all. This is just a walk. Lakad-lakad lang here. Alam mo, napansin ko lang din dito sa Dubai, yung mga malls nila, establishments nila, ang bango. As in, amoy hotel. Medyo mahirap lang hanapin ng ano dito, ang CR. Wala man lang siyang nakalagay. Sana makabalik ako dun. Basta diretso. Pero yeah, ang hirap na niyang hanapin ng CR, guys. Ayun. I can see the sign. 1, 2, 3.
Are you not asking the Burj Khalifa to smile?
Yes! Dancing Lola!
Dancing Lola!
Yeah! He's now very warmed up. We're going to eat pizza for dinner. It's really a vacation if you eat pizza on a vacation.
Why? You can eat
Good picture, take it away.
He wants to.
Morning! So, let's have some breakfast downstairs. Since mamaya pa naman kami mag-start, so we're going to Abu Dhabi later. But, yeah, gutom na ako. I did some work, and then let's have breakfast. And we'll see later. I'm planning to go to the gym. Kasi may gym din dito sa hotel, so let's go. medyo nabusog ako sa kinain ko sa buffet. Super worth it naman. And gusto ko lang matagtag na content. Siyempre, it's Monday. Pag-gym muna. And of course, use the perks of this hotel. Makakasama lang ito sa binayaran sa pag-booking ko. Para makadagdag din ng steps. Kasi later, we're going to Abu Dhabi. And I'm excited. Kasi ita-drive din kami ng relatives namin here. Papunta doon. So, 1 hour mahigit daw yung drive papunta ng Abu Dhabi. Kasi excited to see the mosque and kung ano pa yung ibang attractions. Right now, patagtag na tayo na kinain to save up some space. Okay, let's do some pull-ups for today upper body since I'm very curious about these machines that they have. This machine that they have here. It says high pull. So I'm gonna try that and then may low pull. So high pull, it's more on sa high back muscle. And then dito parang hanggang sa may taas sa shoulders na ako. Ito more on sa press siya. So, push to. And, ang ganda ng machine ito ha. Parang all-in-one na siya. Dito naman yung sa legs. Ang ganda ng machine na. I love it. So, we're going to the Mall of Emirates kasi doon na lang kami pipick up no mga cousins namin. So, we're going to take the railway, the metro. Medyo mas matagal siya sa metro compared sa taxi, but mas practical yung metro kasi mas mura. Yung taxi kasi, nung chinek ko yung Karim, medyo mahal siya. 90 to 100 dirhams. Sa peso, mga around ano yun, 800 to 1,000 pesos. So, mahal mag-taxi. Kaya metro tayo. Kaya more lakad. Pero hindi naman sobrang lakad kasi hindi naman kagaya ng Japan. Na isang station, yung maraming, di ba, baba, sakay. Oh, tapos dito, ano lang, isang diretso lang.
Okay lang maglakad, mainit lang.
Mainit lang, oo.
Sobrang init.
Okay naman maglakad. Kaya naman na strength. Kaya lang ang init talaga. It's summer. Summer here. Tira. Train station. Uy, ang bilis nung escalator nila. Napansin ko, ang bilis. Buti malapit lang yung hotel namin dito sa City Center Dira Station. Going to another baba. Nagmamadali sila. Sige, rush hour. Tourist kami, hindi kami kailangan magmadali. We have plenty of time. That's a rule of thumb. Hindi na kami sumasakay kapag alam namin na paalis na. Kasi baka magkaroon lang ng may maiiwan. Diba? Yan. Kasi, dalawa lang kami. Baka may maiwan siya. Mas mahirap yun. Okay lang kung ako yung masarahan. Pero mahirap pag siya yung nakasakay. Pag ikaw yung nakasakay, di mo alam saan ka rin bababa. Diba? So, a rule of thumb, wag nang sasakay kapag yan na, yung ganyan na, yung paalis na yung subway. Mahirap na, mga magkaiwanan pa. Kasi nangyari yan sa amin before sa Hong Kong, nung kasama pa namin si Daddy na siya yung naiwan. Naiwan siya sa Disneyland pa. Pero okay lang. It was an experience na kwento na lang, pero ayoko na ng ganong kaba. So dito kami, we can ride dito sa women's and children cabin. Di ba sabi yan, yung pambabae lang? Oo. Ayun. Malayo, 13 stations. Just, kaya mahal. Kaya hindi ko pinili yun dahil hindi practical. Hindi naman kami nagmamadali. At least, na-experience pa namin na gusto namin kasi magsa-subway. Sobrang haba ng escalator. As in. Sa Japan, mahahaba din escalator, pero ibang level yung haba dito. Kasi ng taas. And I must say na medyo mas modern yung yung style ng mga ano nila no, subway. Mas modern look siya, mas new. Yung pansin ko. We're now here at Mall of the Emirates. Actually, nasa footbridge pa kami. Buti na lang may ganitong footbridge kasi ang init sa labas. And then, syempre may plano na akong tingnan na shop. Kasi may Lululemon dito, so I'm going to check Lululemon here while we wait for our cousins to pick us up or going to Abu Dhabi. Laging pansin namin, ang bango-bango lagi agad pag pasok mo ng mall or something. Pagpasok mo ng mall or mga establishments, laging ang bango. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay. Ang ganda naman ng mall nila, tinan mo. Ang ganda ng light. So, we're going upstairs kasi nandun ang Lululemon. We're going to check Lululemon. Ganda. Sure yung gaganda ng mga malls nila. Although hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Dubai Mall. But we will visit Dubai Mall in a few days. Wala pa siya sa itinerary for now. But at least, napuntahan ko tong Emirates Mall. Mall of the Emirates pala.
Past every storm cloud, rays of sunlight. Rays of sunlight. Past all of my doubts.
Anyway, we're done at Lululemon. And sobrang bait nung cashier kasi naka-small talk pa namin dahil kababayan. So, binigyan niya pa ako ng dalawang paper bags from Lululemon. Yung bags, shopping bags. So, very usable naman yun. Grabe ka, of course. Let's have some coffee. At ang bango na naman. Siyempre, hotel to eh. Pero yun, laging mabango.
What is our itinerary is like
Bring
this.
them.
Of course, I bring.
That's our itinerary.
Yeah. First, we go to the what do you call this one?
The mosque?
The mosque. After the mosque, we go to the 72th floor, which is Etihad Towers.
I'd love that, yeah.
Yes, for an afternoon tea.
Yeah.
I love that. After
And
the
then,
tea.
then after the Etihad Towers of 72th floor, we go to Emirates Palace, yung mga puro gold na
Wow.
sinasakle.
Okay, the gold.
Yes, after Emirates Palace, we will meet my sister because she finished work at 4 p.m. She can wait. Because the bank here is only from 8 o'clock to 4. Yeah, 8 to 3, whatever. Yeah.
Of office hours, yeah.
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 And we go meet her, we buy the gold, then we go for dinner.
Yeah.
So that's the...
Go for the gold. Go for the gold.
And the honey.
And the honey gold.
Oh, the honey restaurant.
Honey restaurant. Because you always say honey,
want to
honey.
go to the honey
Pinupuli ka
restaurant,
niya. Tinujoke ka niya, you always say honey. Grabe, no? Left and right. As in desert na desert siya.
Okay, let me open my WhatsApp. I will reply to you, okay? Bye-bye.
Left and right, desert.
Oo.
So vast.
Wala po, wala as in.
Nothing.
Ayun nga, unang panahon na nasa Biblia natin.
Oo,
nandito
alam mo
Oo.
yun ang naisip ko.
Nasa Biblia.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we will transfer seat. My gosh. But I'm in a desert. Thank you. As a tourist, I have to sit in front. Passenger seat.
Stress.
Oh, that's not mine.
It's just plastic. Ate,
Ate.
that's drinks.
Mariel, ito.
Yeah, that's mine.
See, this is the same as Formula 1. They also have the number 1 for the Dutch.
I'm super amazed right now kasi as in talagang like, this is the first time that I saw a desert. This is what it looks like with the gasoline.
Guys, I will not say anything about your family, but if they're excited by seeing a gasoline station, see people, this is a gasoline station.
This is the gasoline station. As if they don't know.
Yeah, as I don't know. Correct. See, they even got McDonald's here. Oh no, I need to be in the right language now. The McDo.
McDo.
Mis logros que he tenido, un carro y buena lana. Amigos pocos tengo, siempre me acompañan para donde sea que yo siempre vaya. No soy presumido, pues traigo buenas marcas. Un 370 cargo, siempre manejando con mis zancuditas bien acompañado.
We're now entering the mosque. Mag-enter na kami. So, bumili na lang ako ng pang ilalim. Kasi, medyo nakasitro yung pang ibabaw ko. At least, ginamit ko pa din. Hi! Is it fun?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. But I will not take.
Video completely.
Okay, so
you can take pictures.
Pictures? Yeah,
As many as you like, but video taking.
okay.
You need to send an email to get approved.
Okay. It's complicated. Thank you. Thank you. We're done. Bawal mag-vlog dun, kaya hindi ako nakapag-video. Pero yeah, sobrang ganda. I'll just insert a screenshot or photos of me.
Or the Crown Prince.
Kahit pa yung malaki.
Oh.
Kahit na yung malaki, hindi ako titira dyan. May aswang pa dyan.
Walang aswang dito.
Ano sabi?
Nabi, is there a ghost here?
Sobrang naman bilis.
Ang bilis nung truck.
Actually, they don't know. Actually, for us as well, right, Hidi?
What?
Oh my gosh, thank God we're not part of it.
Yung pati
He
flammable ba
is
yan?
this
The
truck.
driver of this truck is
Is
the
it-
one who
The
made
truck
mistake.
is the.
Yes.
Yes, they're the one who made mistake.
Yeah.
Yan truck na. Ay,
Because they
Drinking
even
water.
they even horn us. They even horn us on the left. They
You
even
saw
horn
it
us.
coming?
Yeah, I know that.
Oh
I've
my
seen
gosh.
putikot si Dali.
He is not in this country.
Wow.
But in the
Oh, it's a girl.
Police is
babae?
already. See, kita yung police na
Yeah. Hey, see how many locals there?
Yes,
Ay.
and we've seen that. I've
Ano
seen.
lasing?
Maybe he is on the phone.
Yeah.
No.
I've seen.
Itong dalawa na to eh.
Ay, video ko kayo.
The entrance
Ganda oh.
Here.
here. No,
Oh my
that's the
gosh.
entrance here.
Here, kanan. Nasaan na tayo?
Interesting palasyo.
Palasyo.
Palasyo ba ito?
Oh, we're going inside the palace
Oh, bakit nakapasok
here
mo?
in Abu Dhabi.
Ay, ako nag-picture ako dyan. Kami
Wow. Ganda, oh.
ako doon.
So the idea.
Kanina pa dyan tayo. Sa
Oo nga.
72 floor. Oh,
So
that's why
basically,
hindi tayo nakapunta.
staying in Tagalog, repeating it, what the movie saying no.
So we're now here at Emirates Palace here in Abu Dhabi. So, we're done here. Kanina nandito kami sa, what do you call this? Emirates Palace. But sadly, dapat pupunta kami or akit kami sa observation deck nila. But there is a private event or something. So, unfortunately, hindi kami nakapunta. Plus, dapat mag-afternoon tea kami. And advance booking pala dapat yun. So, ayun. Okay lang din. Nakapag-coffee naman sa lobby. But, super nice talaga nito. Emirates Palace. So, dati pala dito nakatira yung president or yung hari nila. Sobrang bongga. But now, nag-move na kasi siya. So, open na siya sa public. Pero grabe, ang bongga din ng Abu Dhabi. As in, ibang level din ng kabonggahan niya, ha? Ayan, o. Ang ganda. Bab Alcazar Hotel, Grand Hyatt. Wow. Super nice here. Ganda naman ito, talagang palasong to. Wala akong masabi. Grabe. Grabe, ang yaman nila. Ang ganda. Sobrang luxury talaga. Royalty. Going inside. Tingnan mo naman yung relo nila, Rolex. My gosh. My gosh, guys. Grabe yung loob nila. Puno ng gold. But I'm not sure if these are real gold. But I assume they are. Kasi dito nakatira yung hari. Diba? Ako yung hari. Gold talaga pa pala yun. Ang bongga. Grabe. Look. What a lavish place. I feel so royal right now. Why am I whispering? Ba't kailangan bumubulong? Hindi pa, papasok pa lang sa CR. Ma-overwhelm ka nun sa pinto. Tao po, Charis. Ay, doble. Doble me. Wow. Wow. My gosh. Look at the sink. Look at the sink. Grabe yung marble. The tiles. Very lavish the tiles. Pinablog. Yeah, super nice. Super lavish place. O, diba? Ang dami nila pa mirror here. And then, gold. Gold anywhere. And even the bidet is gold. Gold-plated by yarn. Charis. Okay. Excuse myself. Ang gold. As in, sobrang ganda. Ano to mga awards nila? Grabe yun. Wow. OMG. My gosh. Ay, grabe. Grabe to. As in. My gosh, look. Grabe. Ang ganda. Isipin mo, pagising mo ganito yung bubungaran mo.
Saffron?
Pita bread.
Tiramisu. This one creamy.
One big.
Small.
Sarap.
And this one po, i-dip nyo siya in Arabic way.
Arabic salad yan.
Paano nyo masarap?
Sarap ano? Masarap. Favorite ko yung mga ganito. Hindi mo ba tinitikman? Tikman mo.
Kakagating tubig tayo, diba?
Ito ang maganda niya. Ba't ganun yung lemon dito? Parang giveaway.
Hindi.
Parang giveaway sa wedding.
Kasi pag pinigapan
Ayan,
yung tutong, hindi sasama.
Ay, ang galing. That's so genius. Hindi siya abot ng brain cells ko. Parang pag piniga mo nga naman, di ba yun na lagi natin problema? Yung matatanggal yung buto malalagay din sa pagkain mo. But this one, meron silang stopper. Filter. Galing.
And I'm looking for your attention.
The tower. Brown rice. Rice. Everyone is
Wide awake and I'm just get away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not, yeah,